want you to think about where you're at in your life right now. Where are you at in your business? What are you happy with it? Like, where are you at with your numbers? How many clients do you have? How many leads do you have coming in? Are you happy with your staff? If you have staff, are you happy with all the things in your business? If you were to evaluate everything in your business on a scale of 1 to 10, where would you fall? 1 being, it's completely falling apart or just getting started. To 10 is, oh my God, everything is amazing. I don't need to change a thing. Where would you say you fall in your business? I want you to think about that right now. When you think about where you're at in your business, where you're at in your life, the truth is you are exactly where you are because of the decisions that you've made. Every decision that we make, everything that you do, you are in the place that you are at because of the decisions you've made. The good news is that at any point, you get to make a new decision. You get to decide you're going to do something differently. You get to decide that now is the time you're going to change this. You don't have to live with the decisions of the past. You don't have to live with all of the mistakes that you've made. You can change those now. You can change those into what you want that next choice for you is. And it all starts with getting the clarity in where you want to go. You've got to be clear on what your next step is, where you want to go, how you want to make that happen. It all starts with getting clarity.